Yes, sir. Many, many happy returns of the day. Uh, Overall, how do you look back at your cricket career, your cricket journey? How do you look back at it?
My whole career on.
Like whatever, what are your memories?
I was in Pune
Yeah.
till matriculation. There I was studying in modern high school,
Yeah.
and we had two teams, a junior team and a senior team. And I used to play for both the teams. But there was no coaching or anything that was there. But school teacher used to stand behind the stumps and guide us.
Yeah.
So I became a captain of my junior team, and fortunately we won the tournament that year, inter-school tournament junior. After matriculation, my father was a doctor, so he wanted me to become a doctor. So he sent me to Bombay. My sister and brother-in-law, they were professors in Ruya College.
Yeah.
So they sent me here. My brother-in-law was a good sportsman. He used to play good kho-kho, to do Indian games all those. So he encouraged me to play, and since I had played for my school, I went for the selection of Ruya College and I got selected. And there my cricket actually started.
Yeah.
I was in Ruya from 1948 to 1954.
Yeah.
And then my second year, inter-science, I was selected for the Bombay University
Okay.
as a wicketkeeper. And unfortunately, I could not get admission in medicine.
Yeah.
So I continued my studies. I did my BSc. I captained my college side. Then Bombay University those days used to change the captain every year. So 1 year I captained Bombay University, 1 year Melli Irani.
Yeah.
After me, Melli became the captain. Then so like that we go. And my cricket actually started there, and where I was staying, Madhav Mantri was staying in the same building.
Yeah.
So he used to guide us. But since I had some friends from Ruya College who were in Shivaji Park Gymkhana,
Yeah.
I joined Shivaji Park.
Yeah.
And luckily for me, we had good cricketers there, Vijay Manjrekar, Subhash Gupte,
Yeah.
M.S. Patil,
Yeah.
Sandeep Patil's father.
Yeah.
We had very good side.
Yeah.
And then slowly started playing cricket. Dada Brilliant and Naren Tamanai.
Yeah.
So we two were, some were saying he is good, some were saying I am good, some were saying both are equal.
Yeah.
But ultimately, luck would have it,
Yeah.
I couldn't get the chances.
Yeah.
For Bombay, in 10 years, I could play only 8 matches, out of which 2 were finals,
Okay, great.
and one was only final.
Okay.
I was not selected for any match,
Okay.
but for final they called me.
Super.
Then Indian universities, those days Indian universities, when foreign team comes,
Yeah.
they were taking matches with the university boys.
Yeah.
So once first Naren was sent 1 year. Then second year I was sent. I played against first Commonwealth in Calcutta.
Okay.
Must be around 50.
Okay.
Yeah, 1950, 51. Then second year again when the team came, they sent Naren Tamane.
Yeah.
But Naren, something happened and then Naren couldn't go, so I was asked to go.
Okay.
And that the matches were at Silver Jubilee overseas at Bangalore.
Okay.
And C.K. Naidu was the chairman of the selection council.
Okay.
So we were asked to practice for 2 days, 3 days. Then he arranged for a friendly match, 2 teams were well. I don't know what made him think, but he made me a captain of one team.
Okay.
And to my surprise and to everybody's surprise, I was selected captain of the Indian universities
Super.
against Silver Jubilee overseas.
Okay.
It was a surprise to me. It was a surprise to everyone. So C.K. Naidu, after selection in the evening,
Yeah.
he was very friendly but a firm person. So in the evening, he came to the Avara where we were staying. He called me He said, what is the reaction of people?
Hmm.
So I told him the reaction in the sense, some people are unhappy because they say, who are they? So I told him that there are 2-3 test cricketers in the side. And I am selected a captain who has not played a test. So he told me, that I am seeing you for the first time. And I am surprised why your association has never recommended your name.
Hmm.
You should have played for India long back.
Hmm.
They may be test cricketers, yes, but you deserve this honor and you are a good wicket keeper.
Hmm.
And you will be a good captain.
Super.
So that was another shocking news to me.
Hmm.
After that, I used to be the Indian reserves.
Yeah.
In 1 year, there was one, I think again Commonwealth side. There were 5 years. Those days matches were to be Delhi, Calcutta, Madras, Kanpur, Bombay. So all 4, except Bombay, 4 matches I was in reserves. And Bombay I was asked to stay home, but be ready anytime if you are available.
Okay.
That is how Indian cricket was then. So my cricket career then thereafter when New Zealand came in 1955, I was selected to play.
Hmm.
Mr. Tamane played, Mr. Joshi, I think Nana Joshi played 1 match. And the Delhi match Tamane played, but Tamane didn't do well. So for Calcutta match I was selected.
Hmm.
In that match, it's such a good Indian side. Venu Mankad, Subhash Gupta, Manjrekar, Paul Yundekar, Ramchand, Dattu Phadkar, Mama Sahib Ghorpade. So, at that, in that match, we were 6 down for 32.
Okay.
So just scholars. And I went to bat when Mama Sahib Ghorpade was there.
Okay.
Then we two played for some time. Unfortunately, I got out when I was in 13.
Hmm.
And Mama Sahib was 30 and we were allowed for 142.
Hmm.
When our fielding came, I got 2 stumps and 2 got behinds.
Hmm.
And a batsman hit a ball and Ramchan used to like the wicket keeper to be near the stumps. But he used to bowl in swing and he wanted the wicket keeper to leg side stumping, which I used to do many a times. So he hit the ball hit the upper edge and went up went straight and went huge up. I am looking like this. And normally these cases only we can give it, other people are only watching and I lost sight of it. I just couldn't see the ball. I first saw the ball coming. Where the ball was? I am looking here. Remove my cap. So I was never lucky. The ball didn't hit on my head. It fell somewhere near me. The slip fielders were standing. Paulie was there. Ramchan was there. Vinubai was there. Dattu Phadkar was there. So saying me this, they could have easily. But nobody. They just everyone was there. On that issue, next match I was there. And that was the end of my career.
Hmm.
Next match was in Madras, where Venu and Pankaj Roy, that record partnership. So that match I was in reserves.
Okay.
But then I had no regrets.
Hmm.
I had a good job also all the time and I was never interested in only the, and those days cricket was not a paying proposition.
Yeah.
So I enjoyed my life.
Yeah.
And Shivaji Park we had a good side. Dadar Indian had a good side. So all where we are, those 4 on the field, we are friends outside.
Yeah.
Even today Sunil Gavaskar organizes a dinner every year.
Yeah.
He invites us all of us.
Super. Hmm. So, what are your memories of that? What are your memories of the Dadar Union Shivaji Park matches?
The Dadar Union Shivaji matches used to be a great affair.
What used to be the crowd?
At Shivaji Park when the match used to be there, you won't believe it. There is a crowd of around more than 10,000 people.
Super.
But those days people used to be strictly outside the boundary line. Nobody would enter.
Okay.
And in the crowd, you will see Balasaheb Thackeray. That time he was not Balasaheb Thackeray, he was Bal Thackeray because he was staying just across.
Yeah.
People used to call him Bal Thackeray and all that. Then Professor Ram Joshi. Like these good, interested people, they used to come and watch the match from the first to the last ball. Then sometimes used to call the police. As the match used to progress, the people used to get unrest. But that rivalry was only there up on the field. The moment we are inside, we used to go to Mantri, ask him what has happened. Vasu would come and tell us, hey, you should have done this, you should have done that. So personally, we had very good relations. But those matches were really, what I would say, they call the Battle of Roses.
Yeah.
It's not something like that.
And any particular incident you remember from those matches? Any particular incident
Regarding?
from those matches?
Not really. There were no incidents as such, honestly. There were no incidents.
And how was it? How was Vijay Manjrekar?
Only one incident I can say, Ramakant Desai, when he came, was very fast and initially he was very erratic. So first year when we took Ramakant and we gave the new ball to him and Matavan Jamgana ground, I can proudly say, because I was fit, first 3 balls outside the off stump. Next 3 balls outside the leg stump. With that piece, I could collect those balls. But as time passed, he settled down. And once what happened, Madhav Mantri, somebody said that Mantri said he throws the ball. So when Mantri came to bat, Manjrekar asked him, Manjrekar was the captain. Mantri bowled a bumper, Ramakant bowled a bumper and we. And Mantri was a very short-tempered man. And we always used to be scared of him, out of respect. The ball dropped there. Nobody is prepared to go and pick up the ball. I quietly picked up the ball and gave it to Ramakant. Next day, Ramakant was taken in ACC.
In?
ACC.
Okay.
Where Mantri was playing.
Okay.
So he Mantri played with him. And then Ramakant played for Ranji Trophy and then. But this was the beginning. Similarly, we had Shivalkar.
Yeah.
When he came, he was when he came from a poor family, so he had an inferiority complex. So Manjrekar, Bhandari, used to abuse him. Hey, Bhandaya, yes. So I used to, from behind the sticks, I used to guide him.
Good evening, sir. Basta.
So that is how we used to progress. But cricket those days was good in the sense, though there was a rivalry, there was no enmity.
Yeah.
Myself and Narendra Damne, we were very close friends. Very close family friends.
Super. Yeah.
Sir, तुमचे ते
How was Subhash Gupte as a bowler?
Sorry.
How was Subhash Gupte as a bowler?
Subhash, according to me, what I didn't play much of the cricket, but whatever I have played and whatever I have seen, he was one of the best bowlers. The best.
Why was he the best?
Huh?
Why was he the best?
Why was he?
The best. Why was he the best? Why was Subhash Gupte the best?
Why was he?
Why was he the best among
Why
the lot?
was he best? I tell you, he had a brilliant action, beautiful action. With that action, he used to flight the ball. He used to bowl faster. He had 2 types of googlies. And when I came to college, he was with me in the college also 1 year. Then Shivaji Park we played together. So I could read him anywhere. And I had made so many stumpings from the leg side. Shivaji Park. Because his googly people would never know understand it.
सर ते Sir, about that Hindu colony, you all were both about 3-4 wicket keepers around the same area. It may be a world record.
That was a coincidence. First lane, nahi, the Devensarkar was there. Myself, Madhav Mantri, we in one building.
Correct.
Then Prahlad Rao, who played for Gujarat, 2-3 matches. He was just opposite to my house. So 3 we are here. चौथ्या गल्लीत तुमचा बांदवडकर
ओके.
बॉम्बेला खेळला तो.
हां.
सुहास बांदेवाडी.
सुहास.
हां. त्याच्यानंतर जरा पुढे गेलं असे किंग्जरचं समोर नरेंद्र तावणे.
हो.
तसं आम्ही होतो. आणि थोडा पुढे गेली की पारसी कॉलनी तो फारूक.
Okay, Farooq engineer.
So what is the secret? Why so many wicket keepers?
Coincidence. So you may be having then tough competition among wicket keepers itself. Among wicket keeper मध्येच किती टफ कॉम्पिटिशन असणार तुमच्यामध्ये.
Yeah, that's what happens. No, there's only one position. I suffered because of that. People in power felt Naren is better. He got chances. I am just watching. That's what I said. In 1 year, Ranji Trophy, I didn't play a single match except final.
What was the performance in the final?
What was it?
Performance in the final, your performance?
Honestly, I don't remember it. But my performance in Ranji Trophy, you go to figures, is hardly we used to get batting. Because as I told you, in 10 or 12 years, I could play only 8 matches for me.
Where was this
And
final?
I was never dropped because of a bad performance. I was only dropped because Naren Damne came back.
Yeah. Because of the competition.
Sometimes he is fit, no, he is fit. Sometimes he is got some, he is not playing. So I was on this. So I was only called as a replacement.
So what is your advice to, like, there is a lot of competition in the Indian team right now. A lot of players are not getting chance. What is your advice to them?
Advice is what today's cricket is now totally commercial. So if you want to play, you have to totally get involved. Now this Pant, initially I never used to like him. See, whatever we were taught, when the bowler bowls, when the ball comes up, you get up, then you move with the ball, and we never used to dive. I have never dived, and I could not dive. Naren, to an extent, I used to dive something. This fellow dives on every ball. Why? Because he doesn't move with the ball. Wicketkeeper normally we sit outside the off stump.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
The ball is bowled on the leg stump, which is going to the leg side. So I should move, no?
Yeah.
He's just and then he dives. You watch it.
Yeah.
Even today, he does that.
He doesn't move his leg.
Yeah.
That's why he has to die. Sir.
No, this is what is happened.
Yeah.
And we didn't have the facilities that they have. Now there are all the electronic equipment. You can go home and see what I have done, what mistakes I made, what I should not do, what I should do. हमारा क्या हम लोग मैच हो गया तो बैट पकड़ के घर चले गए. That's it till the next weekend.
सर ती 1955ची जी तुमची पहिली मॅच होती ना त्याच्यामध्ये विनू वानकडनी पहिल्या इनिंगला बॉलिंग का नाही केली. हार्डली ही बोल्ड ओनली 1 ओव्हर. विनू वानकड.
विनू मैंने बॉलिंग नहीं केली.
नाही ही बोल्ड ओनली 1 ओव्हर.
पण त्यावेळेस एवढे बॉलर होते. दत्तू फुटकर होता, सुभाष गुप्ते होता, मामासाहेब घोरपडे होते. मामासाहेब होता गुड लिफ्ट होता.
ओके.
मामासाहेब घोरपडे मीन्स हिज हायनेस महाराज ऑफ बरोडा. So he was used to call Mama. He was a very good bowler, very good batsman, and the best of the fielders those days. So perhaps
हाऊ गुड वॉज दॅट न्यूझीलंड टीम दॅट टाइम इन 1955ची जी न्यूझीलंड टीम आलेली तुम्ही खेळले
1955.
न्यूझीलंड टीम हाऊ गुड वॉज इट कम्पेअरिंग टू टुडेज टीम ऑफ न्यूझीलंड. ती टीम चांगली होती का आताची टीम चांगली आहे न्यूझीलंडची.
Man to man, we were far better. Physically, these boys are better. They are more fit. Fielding wise, they are very good. In our days, our exercise means what? After practice, 1 round. A camp was there before some match, and our CCI, we were practicing. So after practice, aste, we were running. Myself and Nana Joshi, we were together. So Nana Joshi quietly tells me, Chandu, पळायला आपण मॅच खेळायला दुसरे जाऊन जाणार
How do you
दॅट वॉज अवर म्हणजे बट वी यूज टू एन्जॉय म्हणजे
and how do you like what will you say about Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni as a Dhoni as a wicket keeper? How did you?
धोनी धोनी इनिशियली आय ऑल्सो हार्ड बट देन ही वॉज गुड
Hmm. He made a very fun.
धोनी आय कांट से ही इज गुड
He made a very fine captain
Yeah,
also.
yeah, yeah. He justified whatever he did.
Hmm.
So anything about your first trip to West Indies as a manager?
कोण?
तुम्ही ॲज अ मॅनेजर वेस्ट
नाही नाही मी ज्याला झिम्बाब्वे
Zimbabwe.
झिम्बाब्वे ओके सो
I went to Zimbabwe
एनी
as manager.
एनी रिमेंबरन्स ऑफ दॅट
दॅट टाइम
गावठी चिकन चांगली मिळते.
ना सौरव गांगुली देन नावं पडलं द्रविड कुंबळे
सचिन.
देवर ऑल सचिन तर वॉज सेटल डाऊन पण हे तिघं सगळे पहिल्या टूरला होते
Ah,
नाव नाव सबसिक्वेंटली ते केम
that was which year? Which year?
98
98. Okay.
या 98
That time Zimbabwe was a good side. That time Zimbabwe was a good side. 98.
हो येस
Heat streak and all.
But what there we played 2 one-day matches, one we won, one we lost, and we lost the test match.
Ah,
Other was the captain.
the heat streak, na. Yeah.